This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Ben Tucker. Located in the popular gated community of Birch Bay Village, this beautiful home is the one you've been waiting for. You'll love the expansive open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, lots of natural light, huge views of Mount Baker, room to garden, the list goes on. The recently updated kitchen flows right into the dining area and family room and onto the large 450+ square foot deck, all of which boast commanding mountain views. The main level has 3 bedrooms, which includes a spacious master suite that features an ensuite bath and walk-in closet, great views of the mountains and a peekaboo bay view. Downstairs you'll find a huge great room, a bedroom, a 3/4 bath, great mill suite potential. Nicely updated, a huge 725 square feet garage. Don't miss this home. For more information